What's good, family? Very exciting video to make for you guys today. We are up over 1K trading on the day. Day's not even over yet. We've been killing it, and I did drop these plays in my free Discord. So, if you want them next time, definitely join. I dropped them in there. We talk in there throughout the trading day. And yeah, I dropped these plays in there and they are cooking, right? So I'm going to jump on the charts. I'm going to show you guys exactly what got us over 1K today alone and how long we've been in this trade for overall, right? Because it's not fast money, right? Um, 1K may not sound like anything crazy, right? When you're trading prop, when you're trading your live funds and you don't have a lot of money, $1,000 may not sound, too crazy, but that's really the reality of it, right? And the 10K days will come, 20K days will come, but it's not right now, right? So this is where we are, and it's still pretty impressive. The return percentage that I made on these, and the amount of money that I actually invested in these plays in order to be up over $1,000 in these two plays alone, right? But what I'll do is I'll jump on the charts. It's not going to be a super long video. And it's just to show you guys the power of how my strategy overall, what I do, and your ability to kind of join me in some of these plays, right? Not financial advice, of course, but it's definitely your ability to join me in some of these plays going forward. So I'm gonna jump on the computer, just show you guys real quick what I was looking at, show you guys the results because there's no cap in my wrap ever, and we'll go down from there. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on the computers right about now. All right, so before we show you guys here on the actual Robinhood itself, let's go on the actual plays. Okay, so this is Microsoft. Actually, let's talk about Apple first, right? So this is Apple Play, and what we were looking at and how long we've been in this trade for. And I'm gonna extend this. We do have earnings, I think Friday, so we got a little bit more time on this trade overall. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did when I got it, right? Last time I showed you guys my options trading strategy, right? And I told you it was very simple. Nothing crazy, nothing outrageous, right? It was a simple overbought and oversold method, right? So on one was it January 21st, Apple came all the way down to this support level right here. This level 220, 219. We came down before closing, and on my RSI, I got this oversold indication right here, right? So there's a clear oversold right here. So I got into some Apple. I went in light because Apple be playing around. So I went in line and I only got one contract. I got an Apple 240, yeah, I think 240 call. I got one Apple 240 call expiring 214, I think. Actually, we'll just jump on here. I'm gonna show you guys. So boom, 214 expiration for Apple 240 call. Was it 240? Let me see. What does it say? The call average cost. Boom. Yep. So Apple 240 call overall. I got one of them right, and this is one of those plans where you're like, damn, yo, I should have bought more. But can't go back. It is what it is, right? This morning, we were up 300% on this play. 300%. Right now, we're up 280. Again, we got another maybe day or two. I want to see how we close up here. If we could get above here and close this gap, I'll take it off to 42 ish. If we start rejecting a little bit more, we'll see. I think we definitely got till Friday because I want to get out before Apple earnings, right? So this is where we are. I paid 173 for one Apple call expiration, um, expiring 214, right? So 1.73 cents at $173. Right now, the value of it is $6.58 on the options, right? $6.58. So $658. That is the value that I have in this play. I'm up over 485% $485, 280% on this play. Complete banger, and I dropped it in the chat when I was jumping in, and we just kept on taking tabs throughout the week. I think I was down in this trade maybe one a day. We did crazy crash yesterday, but again, it is what it is. We're cooking on this play, right? This play right here, this next one, Microsoft, it was a banger. So as you guys probably know, yesterday market went to hell, right? Asia market went to hell. And I saw this as an opportunity to catch a couple things at the lows. I caught Nvidia, I caught Microsoft, I caught Meta, all at dipping, right? And I caught them at huge discounts because what happens is the IV drops, the Theta Decay drops on those plays, and I'm able to get in at a great price, right? So yesterday I saw Microsoft, and I did not hesitate. Once we came down here, I did I did run it a little bit early, right? Because I saw we were kind of just holding down here. I got in around like 940 ish, and I was down on the play a little bit, right? Because of the volatility. But we got an indication on the RSI right here, and we were able to get in this Microsoft play, and we also had the support down here too. So once we saw that holding, we got in, jumped in. I caught two Microsoft. What play was it? 460 calls. Microsoft 460 calls at $1.80 a piece. $1.80 a piece. So I spent about, what is that? I can't do math. Maybe $300 on this. 180 times two. 360. I said 360 on this play, and right now we are up over 200%. $720 with this play being worth about $1,080 as we speak. And I will probably close this play. Why? Because the expiration is 2/7. Two, we have earnings, and there's no reason for me to risk it just for that because I can always, if I wanted to trade earnings, I could just get in the money joint before close, and then we'll be good. But this is where we are with Microsoft, man, and it's crazy that I was able to flip $360 and $170 into over what $1,600 altogether. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Day's not even over yet, and I probably will be getting out of this trade. And I will alert the Discord, of course, when I get out of this trade. But yeah, that's where we are overall in our trading. We're killing it this week. It's only Tuesday, man. It's only Tuesday, and I've already met my goals on this week on how much money I want to make, right? And it's just gonna be small increments, building my portfolio, building it up, building it up. There will be losses, of course, not today. There will be losses, but we'll take them to the chin. And as long as we follow our plan, follow our strategy, everything will go well. Again, if you guys want to join, it's free. Chop it up with me, and then I'll drop my plays in there. Peace out. Thank you for watching.